Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Wasik Shahzad and I am from HSN College Lahore. The 7th Chord Music Academy is a beautiful institution situated at Zainab Tower, Model Town, Lahore. It nurtures young minds onto all things music. Sir Suhail from the 7th Chord Music Academy tutored me. I had home tutor private lessons with him which lasted months, and only because of those private lessons was I able to learn, master and play beautiful piano pieces. One of which is Ave Maria by Franz Schubert, which I'll play for you right now.